try though. I don't know how this route goes. Damn.
Well, he's got this freakish reach advantage, though.
Well, I sort of have a freakish reach advantage as well. How tall are you, Joe?
6'4", 6'5".
Oh, he's got a little bit more.
He's got a 6'8" wingspan, so.
So it seems like there's an enormous hole on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah. And right above you is a mongoose hole.
So that how you liking all the bugs?
They're not bugging me so much anymore.
There you go. Nice.
Wow.
That looks good. So they told me stick to the right.
Yeah.
Like where the rope goes, basically, eventually. Yeah. Look at you. Yeah.
So far I've killed 11 of these mosquitoes. Only about 1 billion to go.
Come on, you got it. Yeah. Come on, Joe. Come on, man.
Stretch out your right leg a little.
Nope.
Just stand up.
Just jump.
Come on, man. You got it.
Go gecko.
Hold me for a sec.
You are going to go down a little bit. That rope is going to stretch. Oh, I think he's aiming already.
Okay.
Nice job.
Thanks. Yeah, I see it's better off to the right.
So how was that edge?
Which one?
The one that you just walked on from...
Scary as hell.
Like that you just went for it anyway, Joe.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
It's capoeira teacher said, it just never occurs to him that he can't do something.
Learned how to do backflips at an early age.
Come on. Come on. That's
There you
it.
go.
That looks good. That looks like a thank God hold. That's it. Come on, get that.
Yay!
Yeah, look at that. Come on. Oh, you can do it. Come on. Stand up. Stand up. Oh, that's all he's got to do. He's got it. Yeah, so it's just straight up from there.
Piece of cake.
You can see the anchors from there, Joe.
This is just like a little bit of a face line from there on.
Yeah.